Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and on today's episode, keep playing down here by the way. On today's episode, we're going to be making chocolate chip oatmeal bars. I use a combination of butterscotch and milk chocolate chips, but you could use whatever you like. It's like the perfect little snack. So my kiddo loves it. I know yours will too. So I'm excited to share it with you. Enjoy. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding,